Ready? All right, we're very excited today that we've just received this gift all the way from America. That is from Southwest Minnesota State University. I don't know what's that inside here. They just wrote me actually. They've sent something for me, and I'm not sure what that is. And this came all the way from FedEx. I want to thank you, Dr. May and Jamie, and a very special Michael, who actually writes the I-20 for my students. I'm very thankful, and we're going to be opening this today. Let's explore more. Let's let's see what's inside here. How do you open this? Very difficult.
Yeah, right.
Oh, all right, okay. I wasn't expecting this today, actually. So
suddenly
it's very hard, right?
All your hard work, Suresh, sir.
Oh, very difficult. Okay.
Yes. Good thing you're strong. Yes, Suresh, ripping it apart.
All right.
Wow, look at that. Wow, something is here.
What is this? Can you show us?
Okay.
All right, this is this is, what is this?
This is the brochure for
from
Southwest.
Yeah, Southwest Minnesota State University.
And more brochures.
And more brochure here.
Some students that are interested.
More brochure.
There.
I think we can keep these all right here. Brochure. Oh.
And
these are some flyers.
Look at
what
that
is
banner.
This? Yeah.
Junda.
Wow, this is wow. Look at this.
Southwest Minnesota Junda.
Yeah. And this all came right here.
Look at that, the Mustangs.
Yeah.
Mustangs.
This, oh wow, look at this. And this is going to be the big one.
Yeah, coasters.
Can you read this? All right. What's written here, Gray?
Okay. Center
for International.
Yeah, let me just put it right
here. Yeah.
The Center for International Education presents this certificate of appreciation to Mr. Suresh Singh with Beyond Education Consultancy in recognition of your work as top recruiting agency for 24-25 Southwest Minnesota University.
And
top recruiting agency.
And Dr. May Lee, who actually signed this.
Beyond Education Consultancy. Wow, great job, Suresh.
Yeah, thank you, and we thank you. Our thanks, actually, very special thanks to the team at Southwest Minnesota State University. They've actually been a very great partner for us, Craig, and like our students, they say that they're really trying to adapt the environment because America is very new for them. And Dr. May is the first person who actually helped me to get into this university. She's the first one to actually conduct the meeting with me on Zoom call, and so that's when I got the connection with. And then we love Southwest Minnesota University. This is the best university, we believe, that has the very affordable tuition fee and also the very good environment, and the way they work, the university team works is very fast, and we really appreciate the partnership. We're very thankful, and we feel really proud to represent your university. We want to thank you very personally, and one day I hope to see you. I hope to visit the university personally.
Yes, you will.
So that's all. Thank you very much for sending all these gifts. Yeah, Greg.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much. That's all. Can you actually come and take a picture? Come here.